So when we turn left from the front door, you've got a useful utility cupboard, including all of the switches for the electric, hoovers, etc. And then this beautiful bathroom, completely redone. Again, within the last year, you've got a new shower cabinet here, which is fabulous, with a rainfall shower head, like this. Then you've got a wonderful and inventive towel rack here going up the wall. Large sink, perfectly clean, huge mirror with nice spots. All this lighting has been put in. You can see you've got an electric extractor fan there, which goes on when the lights are on. Storage space behind the door. It's a really nice and big bathroom. Everything here in Vila Verde, the dimensions compared to many new builds are staggering, so much bigger. And finally, please do excuse the fact that the bed's not fully made. You've got this gorgeous bedroom, completely separate. So let's just show you that once we turn off the lights there in the bathroom, it's perfectly silent. You can see the aircon here. So you've got aircon in this wonderful bedroom. The owners are currently here, so please excuse any personal items. Look at this. Gorgeous bed. It's actually a bed system whereby you can push them together to make a big double, or move the side cabinets between the two and make them singles. That's very good for renting out. Huge floor-to-ceiling wardrobes. This gorgeous artwork. Breezy curtains here, we don't need the aircon on. And from this balcony, you've got fly screens on it. You've got a pool view from your bedroom. Little cute Juliet balcony. So the price on this is just a smidge below 85,000 euros for a one-bed penthouse in this stunning condition in Vila Verde, in the heart of Vila Verde, in the Atriplex community. This is a very, very good price. So we recommend you come and book your viewing as early as you can, to have an even more detailed look through the Atriplex penthouse. And it could be you enjoying this wonderful pool view very soon.